What's up, guys? Welcome back, and thank you all for tuning in to Not Your Father's Capital. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys a quick look into Apecoin, and we're going to talk a little bit about this rally that has been going on, give you guys a quick update on the price action, and then we're going to take a look into what some of the technical data is surrounding Apecoin, and give you guys kind of my thoughts moving forward as Apecoin moves on into Q1 further into 2023. So hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, and I will have plenty of content and updates for you guys along the way. And thank you all for watching. But let's get down into the news. As you look currently on the crypto bubbles, you can see Apecoin is up 6.3% at the time of this recording. So outpacing some of the other altcoins in crypto. We're going to see a nice green day as all cryptos seem to be trading into the green. It's been a really good week and month for crypto. Nice to see a good start to 2023 and kind of bounce back off of some of the gloom that we have seen in 2022, and just to reaffirm some certainty within the markets. That's what we want to see, and just more and more accumulation of people getting back into crypto. All right, so here's the chart as Apecoin looks to have a really good month. You can see coming up from the $3.50 level up to now currently trading at $5.20. All right, so that is where Apecoin is currently at on the day. And let's get into, can this price rally maintain momentum? All right. So in this article, basically it's going to talk a little bit about technical, the indicators that are surrounding Apecoin, but I'm going to kind of just summarize all that for you guys and get into what is the screws and bolts to this article as we talk about basically the news. When Apecoin hit on December 12th, we had positive news when the staking became live. All right, and so the BAYC holders will also have 10,094 staked of their own, and that caused a lot of supply concerns. Okay, so obviously more people would jump into staking, and then the tokenomics gets all screwed up, and it's just simply an basic economic supply and demand issue within Apecoin. All right, so there we go. When we talk about why that we had some kind of fall off, if you will, at the end of December, and basically due to this staking, it basically had their inflation rate at a massive 52.75%, and that would basically further contaminate the sentiment surrounding Apecoin. So not having good inflation data, as well as Apecoin basically having this kind of uncertainty surrounding their staking platform, it just kind of made Apecoin fight an uphill battle. All right, so now after some time, we saw Apecoin decrease briefly and then break out after that deviation. All right, and then that was coming from a $2.62 level on November 14th. All right, so that was a very, very bad fall off coming down from in November, where we saw a lot of crypto get bludgeoned. Okay, so this is basically, as I can put it, is bludgeon is a very good word to describe last November, and that was basically when the FTX and all the liquidations with the exchanges, and all of that fear and uncertainty and doubt was infecting the crypto markets. Okay, so there we go when we talk about Apecoin, and now we are back currently trading in a very safe range at $3.45 and $5.10. So now what we're going to talk about is why that's important. Well, if for those of you that were involved with Apecoin during launch and watched some of my videos along Apecoin, it is going to just reaffirm that, you know, after the initial holders had their private tokens basically and they sold off at launch, Apecoin has been a very constant crypto despite being in a bear market, right? And now trading up at $5.20, that just kind of gives way to where, you know, I was buying back into Apecoin after launch, got back in at the upper fives, a lot at $7 was also kind of where it leveled off. Just a tick under that, if I believe correctly. And then we saw gains getting into almost brushing $15 a coin. Okay, so Apecoin was pretty much very constant and stable, if you will, with their gains and losses and ebbs and flows that they were experiencing back in those times. And that was basically a common trend amongst all cryptos that just were born essentially during the bear market. All right, so not just Apecoin, but there was a couple other ones where they didn't really fall off because there wasn't as many liquidations. They were that we saw with more established cryptos. Okay, so now in current day, we just want to talk briefly about RSI, and that is basically an indicator showing if a crypto is overbought or oversold, which would create a buy pattern. Okay, so basically the daily RSI is showing that Apecoin is overbought, but there has not been any bullish divergence yet. Okay, so you cannot really, according to TA, you cannot really predict future events. and the direction of the trend cannot be determined just by looking at the daily time frame alone. All right, so that's going to be important because I always tell people technical analysis is great with stocks. However, with crypto, I don't think there's enough historical data surrounding crypto in these coins and tokens. They have not been around for long enough that we can make historical trends and predictions using technical analysis outside of just coming down from some of the basics of basically swing trading and whatnot, and I just don't see the benefit in a long-term analysis using TA. So that's what we're at with that, and we can get into the ABC corrective structures, and I can talk to you guys about where Apecoin is going to break out from here. I just don't want to get into it because I just wanted to tell you guys that the Apecoin price prediction for January is suggesting a drop towards the channel's support line, and it will possibly break down, okay? And that a possible breakout above the channel's resistance line would invalidate the bearish Ape price analysis, okay? So hold on a second. Let's tie it all together, all right? So basically, the price prediction in January is saying that Apecoin is rallying, and it is basically unsubstantiated, and that this will basically cause an invalidation to create a breakout above the channel's resistance line, okay? So we could follow this article and basically tie into their bearish sentiment that I have that Apecoin is being too much bought right now. However, when I talk about Apecoin, I want to just reaffirm the position that I had, that it has been fairly constant, all right? Amongst all the liquidations we have seen, Apecoin probably has one of the biggest communities surrounding crypto. It is very naive, it is very young, and I think the future of Apecoin is still in its development stages, right? So we have yet to see what is going to happen. There's still all of the uncertainty surrounding crypto with regulation, inflationary data, as well as the way that the Fed is outlooking on regulation when we talk about what is going to happen surrounding the exchanges in crypto, okay? So a lot of that money is just on the sidelines, and Apecoin is just holding in there, all right? They're trading at $5.20, and that is just a brush down compared to some of the other cryptos that are down 40, 50, 60% since the start of 2022 when the bear market began. So that is just something to keep in mind, guys. Just basically, Apecoin is in a good direction. If you believe in the longevity of this crypto, it is still very naive, and I just don't want everybody to get caught up in TA because truthfully, it does not, with this time frame of its existence, does not really shed too much light onto the future. So keep that in mind, guys. Not financial advice. Please do your own research and let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Do you guys see Apecoin going on a run and basically keeping this rally going into 2023? Let me know down below, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, join the community, and we will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.